let's open Serious 13. What time is it?
Ooh, let me see. It's a 2:06 in the afternoon.
Oh my gosh. There's a rubber band. I don't know what that is. It's dragon wings. Come on, I got dragon wings. I need it. I don't know what to do. Why are there two? There's
Don't
two.
take a different thing for you. Super. You forgot the arm first.
There's 3 arms.
Yeah. It's a monster, you got 3 arms. Yeah,
Maybe
sometimes
I
when the
found
people
dragon.
do the packages, they put 1 more arms for you.
Because they're scared that you will make it disappear. And make it...
Yeah, actually we got a lot of spare parts. Spare body parts. While we have so many
This?
Playmobils.
We need this first.
Hundreds of Playmobil, a few hundred of Playmobil.
Do we have... What is this?
I don't know.
Maybe I'll plug it in
no.
later.
No.
Oh. Can you tell me?
This one, I guess you forgot about this. Where is it?
Oh.
Or the other?
It's looked
like
like
this.
an underwear.
Yeah, you know. Okay.
It's... Now, we need to put down the hands. And this hand. But we don't need to put the spare hand because it's creepy. And then you snap it. Snap the pitch on. Can you help me unplug the head?
Why?
I forgot something again. Maybe? Yes, I did forget something. This. And now what do we have to do with the head? Yay. Yay!
Yeah, you hear it click sound.
Now I gotta put the hair. Help! 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 Hands. Downcast. No. I flipped it. No, it's supposed to be like that. Now we have to. Oh. Now we gotta put the wing. Like this. Head is not plugged in. Yes, it is plugged in. Head is not plugged in. Wing is plugged in. Ow. Head is not plugged in. Head is already plugged in. Head is not plugged in. Head is already plugged in. Ouch. Oh! Get it in, please. Please don't come out. Get it in, please. Please don't come out.
Is it the other way around?
What? This? Oh.
Maybe, I don't know.
Please don't let it jump in, 'cause I am not smart enough. Why is it dunking? 'Cause
Yeah,
I
you
am
make
not
it.
smart enough.
That's why I always said it. When you try to do something, you try to do it the other way around sometimes. When you are stuck somewhere.
I am stuck at somewhere. I am stuck at somewhere. I am stuck at somewhere. Because I don't know the solution.
Extra ham! Oh, you can put it in the fridge.
You want to eat somebody's arm? This is a weapon.
That's the weapon.
Because I am not smart enough. I
That's
need something. It's a
Not
sword.
Yes, a sword.
Not a sword. Whoa! He's cool, man. I did not guess Casper the Friendly Ghost. This is like the coolest one in this series. And there's also another king. Here's a close-up. This is a babe. This is a babe.